Hi guys, it's Zatorsky here, and today we're doing a video that was long requested by many of you. There's nothing worse than being stuck in an edit for a couple of hours, and that is why today I'll show you 5 the best shortcuts for Premiere Pro that will speed up your editing 100 times. So, without no further ado, let's just jump into it. Numero uno, Q. This shortcut enables you to delete everything that is before the playhead up until the first trim. So this is how it works. Let's say we want to get rid of this part. We press Q, and this is how it works. This is actually saving me a lot of time while editing long videos for YouTube, just like this one. So before, I would have to probably do something like this. Select razor tool, then click here, then click selection tool, then press on the clip that I want to delete and press backspace. But this is not the end. I have to ripple delete it. So I have to press here and then select ripple delete. That's at least 7 steps. Numero dos, W. This shortcut does exactly the same thing, except it cuts everything that is in front of the playhead up until the first cut, that is here. So when we press W, this section is automatically deleted, and the ripple deleted as well. So we do that, and basically the entire section, the entire timeline moves to the playhead. Number 3, add edit. So the old way how you could make basically cuts would be with the razor tool, and this is, guys, especially time consuming because you have to know where exactly you want to cut, where you press it. So you leave it somewhere here, then you press on the timeline, then you have to move it. This just takes ages, guys. This is an old way. Let me show you how it's supposed to be done. So on your keyboard you can press Command K or Control K if you're using Windows, and basically when you're gonna press it, the cut is going to be inserted into your clip. So this is how it works. You can cut however many times as you wish, and you can actually make cuts while you're playing. This is a lifesaver, a game changer for editing. But in order to make this work even better, we need to know about one more shortcut. And let me show you what it is. So in your settings here, you can assign certain keyboard shortcuts to your keyboard letters. So to Z, I assigned Alt Edit because who even uses zoom as a tool for zooming in and out of the timeline? If you're doing it differently, comment down below. I would love to know. And then X, it wasn't doing anything either. So we want this to be a ripple delete. And as you can see, all you got to do is press here. So now it's not doing anything. And you want to do is say ripple delete. Now we take that and we are assigning it to the X. Let me show you guys what it actually does. Wow, I'm getting so excited. So as you're moving along your timeline, right, you don't want this, you don't want that, you don't want that part either. So we are cutting it just like that. And previously you would have to go like this and then ripple delete it. But let's say we don't want every second clip, right? So what you're gonna do is press here, press X, press here, press X, press here, press X, press here, press X, press here, press X. And this is how you do ripple deletes quickly. Number 4, let's say you want to add quick mockup text on your timeline. So all you got to do is press Command T or Control T, and you will get this mockup text that will pop up on your screen. Instead of pressing T and then selecting it and then typing your text, which obviously takes you a long time. This is just for mockup, guys. When I'm doing drafts, I would love to see where my text is going to be. So I press Control T again, and then Control T for Thomas again, and then Control T for Thomas again, and then Control T for Thomas. This is a lifesaver and sure saves you so much time while you're editing. So if you find it useful, smash the like button because we're not done yet. Drag Select Forward tool. The name is quite long, but all it basically does is takes all the footage and all those clips that are on the right side of your timeline and select them. So you can basically move those here, you can move them any way you want. But let's say you want to move everything that's on your timeline, right? So you can basically do that. You can even divide them while having the Drag Select Forward tool selected, and the shortcut is A. It's going to move all the footage that is to the right of the cursor. It's literally saving me so much time and makes me more efficient editor. Alright guys, since you stayed for so long, here's the bonus tip. You probably already know about that, but I want to share that with you. So previously, when I would import clips to the timeline, I would basically drop my clips like this to the timeline, and then I would search which kind of pieces I would want to have in the video. That's how I would do it. But there's actually an easier way. So when you double click on any footage, you can press I for in and O for out. What is basically doing is enables you to select a particular part of the footage. So now you can drag and drop any part of any video, and you don't have to worry about, selecting the entire clip and having to cut it later down the line. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed those shortcuts, and I'll be coming up with more shortcuts as I explore them and find the easiest ways to edit and save your precious time and also mine while editing in Premiere Pro. So if you found those shortcuts very useful, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be releasing more videos just like this one in the future. I would definitely recommend you to check out some of those videos that I made early on this channel. These were actually pretty great. But if you want to see some behind the scenes of my productions and videos, videography, photography, follow me on Instagram, because that's where most of the things are happening. Subscribe to YouTube, because more videos just like this one are coming up. Bye.